For more than 10 years, we have focused on the fields of railways, highway tunnels, water conservancy, hydropower tunnels, and underground mines, and developed efficient, safe, and reliable construction equipment. To help customers shorten the construction period and reduce operating costs. With the cutting-edge technology, top international talents, and super independent innovation ability, we will research and develop sustainable, intelligent equipment. Standardized production process, advanced production equipment, digital management tools, and manufacture reliable products. Well-trained service team provides a variety of service solutions to protect the whole life cycle of the equipment. Practice energy conservation, emission reduction, and low-carbon production. Training engineers for the industry free of charge. Provide a large number of jobs for women. Subsidize impoverished students. With the experience of more than 3,000 projects, we aim to make tunnel construction and underground mining safer, more economical, more efficient, and more environmentally friendly.